Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. Are you comfortable with your firm's vision? This is a serious question, especially if you're aged under 44 years of age, because your age group represents 69% of the accounting profession, according to benchmarking.com. Do you understand your firm's vision? Are you comfortable with it? Will it provide you with career and job satisfaction? Especially when you look at the next 20 to 30 years, which for some of you will be your career span. Is your firm committed to innovation? Mark Totora, National Manager of the Commonwealth Bank's Professional Services Division, made some interesting comments last month. He said, all types of professional firms, including accountants and business advisors, are undergoing change. This change is described by him as being deep and lasting structural change, driven by disruptive technologies, changing customer demands, and new market entrants. Totori then went on to say that progressive firms are reacting to these market changes. They're increasingly looking to move up the value chain. They're looking at outsourcing, automation, and new business models as they compete with the new entrants into this market. The new entrants are threatening to absorb the lower value but high volume activities, such as income tax returns, that have traditionally generated so much revenue for accountants. Some accountancy firms are addressing these challenges head on in order to meet the changing market requirements, the new landscape, and what customers require. Where is your firm situated? How has your firm responded to the changes over the last 5 years? It's 5 years since Deloitte released their report, Digital Disruption, Short Fuse Big Bang. Has there been some changes in your firm because of that? What about the customer demands for a new range of commercial services? What's going to happen in your firm in the next 12 months? For most of you, the tax lodgement season is now over. Thank goodness, you might say. But I suggest it's time that you might do some serious analysis as to where your firm is going when it comes to innovation and meeting market demand for new services and being able to compete with the new types of entrants, outsourcing, and also to keep your team actively committed to a career in public accounting. What are the components of your firm's income from 5 years ago as compared to today? Has there been any changes? Why not look at the traditional areas that accountants produce fees from? Annual accounts, tax advice, preparation of tax returns, business activity statements, superannuation funds, financial accounts, audits, representation to banks and lenders. In the main, I think they represent traditional areas for accountants. And what about the innovative areas? Financial planning, budgets, cash flow forecasts, cash flow management, debtors, reduction of debtors' days outstanding, business plans, strategic plans, offering your client a chief financial officer services, capital raising. The traditional area for some firms was to help with clients that wanted to raise finance under Section 708 of the Corporations Code. But what about early stage innovation companies and crowdsourced funding, equity raising opportunities? Corporate governance, risk management, particularly looking at personal property securities register, due diligence area, business evaluations, business health checks, benchmark comparison, using the information supplied for over 125 industries by benchmarking.com.au to help an analysis of your client's performance. Succession planning, being proactive in identifying government grants that are suitable for your individual clients. You know, there's some firms in Australia already achieving 50% of their income from innovative areas, and there's other firms that are deliberately targeting to achieve 50% from innovative areas. How does your firm compare? Are you satisfied to continue in the traditional areas of tax return, preparation and tax advice? I think that's going to be a very competitive market from now on, if it's not already so. Are you still comfortable with your firm's vision? That was the opening question I asked. Are you still comfortable with your firm's vision? If you would like to have a look at the type of products and services that ESS BIZTOOLS can provide to you to assist you in tackling the innovative areas, please go to our website www.essbiztools.com.au. We're launching a special webinar series in June and July, a free webinar series to acquaint you with some of the innovative areas that accountants can be involved in 2018-19 financial year. Why not join us for the free webinar, the first one, Innovative Products for Accountants and Business Advisors, on Tuesday 19th of June at 12:30 AEST. If you've got any questions on any matter relating to the innovative services that ESS BIZTOOLS can assist you to implement to your firm, please send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au, or telephone me on 1800 232 088. Good luck with meeting your firm's visions for the future. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.